Welcome to ChopChopChef, and thank you for joining me today on our next session. I would love to share with you my version of a puff pastry Parmesan twist, or like a Parmesan stick. Easy, right? So for this one, what I use is obviously we have the nice grated Parmesan. I will use a little bit Gruyere cheese. I have smoked paprika, and this one I put just a pinch of cayenne in there, give it a little bit of kick, right? Then we have obviously an egg wash, and I use marjoram. You can use them in a mixture of Provençal spices, the dried one in this case, no problem. Yeah, and of course, I mean, I bought puff pastry, which I'm not doing these days. So very easy. We're coming over to my board over here. We will have the flour is purely for dusting. Yeah, so we dust our board here a little bit. Yeah, here we go. Number one, we transfer one of the puff pastry sheets over here. Okay, let's put that on here. Yeah, with this on the side. At the same time, we will dust a little bit our pastry rolling pin. And we roll it out a little bit more, just a little bit thinner. Yeah, not too much. Obviously, you don't want to have too much flour on it, right? So be mindful of this one. Here we go. So give and take, we have good, so say 30 centimeter in length. Yeah, let's put this one over here. And we do this one more time with the other part of the dough. One more sheet of the puff pastry. Okay, obviously we want to achieve kind of the same length what we're having here. It's not that fragile, right? So as you can see, I handle it quite roughly. Okay, all right. Okay, all right, first thing done, so have a quick look. So we have achieved kind of the same length, right? And now easy, this bottom part, now we're putting on the filling, which is easy. We first starting off with the egg wash. Yeah, and this one can be done, in this case, all over. And this egg wash we put on, obviously we want our Parmesan nicely, and all other ingredients nicely stick on it, and you do this first as well. So the paprika, the smoked paprika powder and the herbs, they all nicely glue together, right? Easy done. Now let's put this one back here. Okay, then let's put the paprika powder, just sprinkle it nicely over. Yeah, so that will do the trick. Yeah. Same with the Provençal spices. Beautiful, it's looking good, right? Here we go. Now the Parmesan. Obviously don't be too shy with the Parmesan. A little bit more, right? Okay, look at this one. Then I use a little bit of Gruyere magic, yeah, in my magic Parmesan grater. Gruyere can go in there as well because it's a hard cheese, right? So we just put a little bit pressure on there, and then this comes out. Not sure if the camera can see this one, but it's dropping nicely, so all over the place. Beautiful, beautiful, very nice. Obviously, Gruyere makes the whole difference, right? But this is a secret between us. All right, ladies and gentlemen. We got all the toppings done, perfect. Now we're putting this sheet on top. Easy done. No, you don't have to flour this one, all good. Egg wash, I mean. All right, have a look. So we have this one now here all done nicely, right? Now, only the pastry pin, we just dust a little bit. Now we just press on gently, right? The top layer, so it's all nicely comes together. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so this is the next step done. Next step, we have of course our baking tray here. I have a sort of a pastry roller. You can use a knife as well. Obviously, I want to make it nice and pretty. So we're doing a little shape here. Cut off the edges. Now, obviously, you can have the whole lengths. Like this one, this is probably 30 centimeter. You can make shorter ones, 15, 20 centimeter, completely up to you, right? So let's do 2 or 3. And the width, I do around, say, give and take 1.5 centimeter, right? So, and then hopefully I can scroll up a few of this twists, right? Let's do a few long one. Okay, now we have achieved a few long one. Let's put this a little bit off the side here. And just later on we see that we do a few shorter ones. Right? If this would stuck, the dough would stuck on it or on your knife, just put it a little bit into flour. Hocus pocus, easy done, right? Now the next trick comes, right? Easy. When you have your twists, yeah, or your stick, now comes the twisting, right? So twist it a few times like this around, not too much. Yeah. So now I put them on my tray like that, and the ends I squeeze on a little bit. Well, why is it like this? Of course, it's a puff pastry, it will blow up, right, a little bit. And otherwise it untwines again, and we don't want that, right? We want to have the curly version there, twisted one. All right, again, yeah, and give it just a little bit of a gap between. Of course, they will go out, expand a little bit. Yeah. And the oven is already preheated on 180 degrees. And we put these babies in the oven for good 15 minutes. And hopefully it turns out as good as I envisage in my mind. Okay, and the short version is the same thing, right? It goes so easy. All right, let's put a few on there. What else I have to say? Yeah, I mean, of course, and this one, I mean, as a party snack food, when they're coming out of the oven, obviously that would be the best thing to be eaten or to be served, right, to your customers. And then you can serve them with a little bit of dip, or just too thick, don't like. Just like that as it is. And everybody likes a little bit of the Parmesan twists, Parmesan sticks, puff pastry sticks. All right, we have one tray full. This goes in the oven, as I said, 180 degrees, 15 minutes. Right, so my oven is already prepared here. Okay, bang, bang, bang. In the middle rail, here we go. We're putting our timer on. It's always magic these days in these ovens, right? Easy done. 180, 15 minutes, and hope for the best, all right? See you then. Okay, our puff pastry twists are in the oven now for 17 minutes. Yeah, I mean in 15 seconds, and they're looking already good. So I take them out as soon the buzzer goes off. Yeah, and then we see how it goes. One batch I have baked already out in the other oven, and here we go. Tick, tick, tick. That's done. Let's turn the oven off. Watch, watch, watch. Cameraman, get the steam out. Choo, choo, choo. Yeah, okay. And here they come. Our puff pastry Parmesan twists. Yeah, so we let them cool down a little bit. Yeah, so what I have done with the other tray, yeah, I took them out of the oven. Presentation, here we go, easy done. Yeah, when they cool down a little bit, they should be nice and crunchy, crispy, beautiful. Yeah, and yeah, you can serve it with a dip or just put it on your dining table for the people to have a snack. Just so beautiful. Yeah, and thank you very much for joining me on ChopChopChef. Till next time, enjoy that one.